Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a warning for all Chainlink holder because the condition is going to be very critical now, and all holders doing very huge mistakes. So it's absolutely if you stop this mistake. So I hope the coin will starting upward now. From last 7 days, all currencies is fails down, but not like that. Exactly, the Chainlink is completely fails down, and it's a warning for new holder. And I definitely, my friend, for short-term investors who invest for a short time, warning you, my brothers, to be safe from the lost, otherwise you completely lost now. And absolutely, if you follow a basic channel, so I hope you never lost. This time the last 7 days chart is on the screen, the price is on the screen. 22 USD dollar is the latest price, all update is on the screen, and you can see, my friend, the current price is 17.53. so it's mean to the price come down to 22.17 USD dollar. I think 5 USD dollar they lost just in only and this week, my brother. But definitely, as you can see, my brother, after June 22 they will starting moving upward now. So I'm so happy to see this. But definitely after a jump, every cryptocurrency fails down. So therefore you can see they take a short fail. So definitely holders starting very huge mistake after this fail. You can see minus 18.26% the price is lost now just in only, my brother, and this week. So try to understand, don't sell it, otherwise they fails down more and more. So I will advise you, my brother, please hold it. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. Now let's see Chainlink holder to really can they will move upward now after this fail or not. But this is my formula, my brothers, to after fail every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So therefore I totally use this formula from last 3 years. So I know, my brothers, they will move upward now. Let's see to what they do, but kindly subscribe this channel for latest update and news. Please subscribe, like video.